Hi Geminis, welcome back to my channel. This is Shell Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. Let's start with your reading, and this is going to be right from 30th of August 2021 and so on. And Geminis are having the message of like they are going to ask, okay? So there is someone who is connected with you, or you have that kind of little bit of connection of hi and hello. If it is something that is yet to happen kind of, but you know and you expect something, like your intuition might be telling you something, it does happen. So there is someone around you, okay? Let's see. I feel that kind of energy. This one card flip, let's see, let's start. You have moon phase. Someone is way emotional in this time frame. If this is your energy, then you are way emotional. You might be away from your place, but you are somewhere safe. So basically, if it is connected with, also it is connected with possible moon Piscean, okay? But maybe you're feeling that do they miss me, or maybe someone else is missing you and they have to ask you something. They need to. Someone will ask you something, okay? Here, definitely. Now, however, these are general vibes, so may go vice versa, but I feel this. I feel this, okay? Let's see. You also have Rider, Nine of Cups. So if it is something new and someone is missing you and they never told you that, if it is something new, but you have that intuition kind of, and the connection goes as like hi, hellos and all that, then there is someone who is coming your way to talk to you. This is also about, of course, it's a pumpkin and all that, a Cinderella story kind, which is someone your love is coming, and I feel your Rider is here. So some of you will find love of your life here. With the Nine of Cups energy and the Rider, the message comes, the person comes, and they are already there. Have you realized it? If you are feeling that kind of energy, this might be the one. Sometimes people have that query connected with they may be the one, and you know, I felt that. Do they feel the same way? You know, and that after going your ways and parting ways, people realize I have to search that, and the search begins. I feel in this time frame the search begins. Whatever your connection is, if it's not right now blooming, I mean just you're figuring out, then this is going to happen. Figuring out, definitely, okay? And I feel this is like someone will ask you. Always remember that just don't sit back if it is supposed to, because these are general vibes, not personal. So maybe you need to ask them, then just ask them. But I feel like there is full emotional support on this way, okay? Like prince and princesses are meeting, and they're having that courage of moving ahead with one another and fighting for this love, then yes. And I said that search begins. It's like you met, but then search begins in the way of like maybe you are figuring them out on social media, someone is figuring out, and then they're going to, that's not the chase in a bad way, but the chase is like, before I lose this, okay, I should not lose this opportunity. And this is what I feel looking at the moon. It's very, very fantasy. It's a very kind of energy of like a desire coming true. That's what I see. And just at the right time, okay? Certain right time, and they're going to ask, and you need to answer. They may stop you in the middle. Possible there's a party, possible it's a get together, possible somewhere meeting official. Wherever you are meeting, it is going to happen. I feel that. Okay. So I feel that they have to ask you, are you ready for the stork? Like, are you ready for the startup? Are you ready for this beginning, okay? Because I feel while away, someone is missing. Someone missing, okay? This is Ten of Swords energy on the ship. While away, someone misses someone, and they feel like whether when I'm going to return, everything is going to be the same. Will they remember me? Because I'm not wearing that same dress. That's like the real us, okay? Which is about how we live at home, how we work, how we are not always dressed and always not in makeup, okay? We don't need that, but the real us, okay? If we that is a very facade thing of like, okay, applying makeup, it makes us feel good. We love glitter, we love charm, we love lipsticks, and all that stuff is a different thing. But what is beyond that? So when two souls meet, that kind of energy, at least what I am hearing from this, okay? And I go with the fact that what is they're telling me. So I feel that they are on the lookout for you. Realizations. If they are at a distance from you, okay, if they are, this is again going to be the communication, the call, or the meeting, because I feel there's going to be approach and someone is going to ask you. So the approach is in the real way as well, and approach is when we are like calling you, and it is not something that you should talk on text. I mean, yes, whatever it is, but it's not something that you're supposed to talk on text, because text, they create problems, and I feel like the clear talk is all on the phone. You should do it because someone is going to ask. They're going to ask. I feel that kind of energy. So it's a gentleman, ace of hearts. After all the troubles and the problems, someone is going to ask. Getting to know each other. This is the time. Like putting effort to know one another. This could be the one. This is the card that flipped. This could be the one. So you have already met the romantic partner you seek. Some of you have already met. So this could be the one. It's a sign, signal. Healing family issues. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. So for some cases possible. Because you don't believe, and that's why you ignore, and that's why maybe they are seeking that thing to ask you. Maybe this resonates for some of you in exact way, like you need to let loose of many things that make you feel or go distant with the person before you even know them, okay? Or maybe those are issues of family connected with that parents won't agree or something like that. But when people realize staying at bay that no, we want to be together, then that's when the fight begins, okay? Fight for surviving, and fight for believing in this love, and fight for gaining that thing of strength inside to stay together. At least that's what I heard. I think that's your card, soulmate. Someone is, you know them. It's going to be like, it's going to feel like, oh my God, I always knew them, or I know them. Yes, this is your soulmate, okay? What is coming in your future? What is coming in your future? Gemini, what is coming in your future? What is coming in your future? I think emotional journey. I think let's try. I think like, no, we can't stay away. We can't stay away. We're going to fight like soldier. Okay, fighter. Let's fight for this. Let's fight for our love. Let's be together. Let's overcome everything that is letting us stay away. Whatever the problem is, distance, problems, what sort of like convincing parents. First convincing each other, right? Knowing but not accepting. Accepting but then not aware what to do next. Maybe someone you love is in services, or you are in. I also see someone coming home after the services and all that stuff. Someone is going to ask you maybe, do you miss me? Someone is coming home, as I said, it's house, home. So it's going to be complete, full, warm house. Someone may ask you that they're going to meet you, possible at home, they're going to visit, possible, and they're going to ask you that, it was very difficult for me to stay away, and I love you and I miss you, and I want to talk to you about the matter of our future, okay? And the first thing that you people are going to do is like this, possible. So important to hug one another in the times when we are saddened with a lot of stuff, and all that matters is just be with me. Nothing else matters. Gemini, please give us the energy. Please give us the energy for Gemini. After hard time, after the endings, or after no contact, after feeling that's not going to work or never to return kind of energy, the things are becoming. It's rebirth of something, transition of something. Like this won't happen to happen. Let's work on this. So death is a change that you are coming around with the new skin. It's a scorpionic vibe, but it is also change in the love aura, change in your life, Gemini. Someone is going to ask you. This is something that was not expected, but it is going to happen. Like it was supposed to end, or it was supposed to never start or never flow, but it is happening. Page of Cups. It was never gone, it never died. We miss one another. Okay? We love one another. So love offer after feeling that's not going to start anywhere, it's not going anywhere kind of energy, or someone will find you, figure out. Okay, so this may be particular Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Scorpionic vibe. And the sides I gave you, or a Piscean. Okay, let's see. Geminis. I hope you will love this. 5 of Cups energy. I hope you will love this reading. Okay, after a lot of turmoil and emotional chaos and going through the phase alone here, I see like people coming strong. Sometimes it is also like up when the meeting will happen. This is going to make tears roll down. I can see that I'm becoming emotional right away, because it was a hard time being alone for possible both of you as an individual or for just you. And now when the return is happening, it was like your hope connected, your desire, but when this is actually happening, it will make you cry, it will make you angry, it will make you push them away. But the matter over here is like you want them to hug you, and this is going to happen here. Something will happen. Okay, you never expected, but desired inside. You never asked them, but it is going to happen. Look, 3 of Swords. And now take that as it resonates. I'm not going to speak about that. It's not important. It's not important because I see everything is laying the foundation here. It's beyond 5 of Cups. You are becoming important. Not because you're not important. You are important, but they are realizing. Okay? Some of you are giving birth. Wow. So it is something that someone is going to propose you again. They might have married you. They might have done that. They're going to again do some stuff here after the endings, you know. King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with the Ace of Cups. Love coming. A very loving person is already there in your life or is coming. It is also the birth of something, birth of child or birth of love. This is beyond this, hardships. This may be someone new, possible. However it fits you. If this is someone new, you're going to again feel this vibe of like love coming in your life. But for most of you, whatever I said, okay, I don't want to repeat it and waste your time. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.